All right, so this one's gonna be on how to be able to fix the Microsoft Store on Windows 10, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you a very simple way to do this. Most important thing you need to do is get to the settings for your Microsoft Store. So to be able to do that, all you would do on the menu or the search bar over here, you can just type in app, and Microsoft Store should pop up, and then just go ahead and right click on it, and then go to app settings, and that's it. In here, once you're in here, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and then where there's a reset option, go ahead and click on that. And what this will do is it'll go ahead and reset it back to its default settings. It says your documents will not be affected, so you don't have to worry about that. So I think that should be able to fix the problem. And maybe you might want to go ahead and reboot the computer just to see if after you reboot it, everything's back to normal. But I think that's not even necessary. You should be able to work as soon as it's done resetting. So that's it for now. Bye.